Students, observe here. Just I am taking the problem of mod of x plus 3 plus mod of x plus y. I am trying to explain the concept. Equality is given how to open. Inequality is given how to open. Minimum value is given how to solve. So for all, I used only one expression, mod of x plus 3 plus mod of x plus y. Okay, fifth, sixth, third. Okay. So mod of x plus y is given. How to open it? I explained once minus 2x minus 2, 8, 2x plus 2 for the values of x lesser than or equal to minus 5, minus 5 less than x less than 3 and x greater than or equal to 3. So already you got graph of this also. Here minus 5, here 3, 0, 8. This is the graph of this function. Through graph, what is observation, Nana? The output is 8 to infinity. Input is all real numbers. Domain is all real numbers. Range means output is close 8 to infinity. Minimum value is 8. Maximum infinity. Minimum 8. What values of x you will get minimum? Means I can say minus 5 to 3. Sometimes they will ask, what is the minimum value of this expression for what values of x? Minimum is 8. For what values of x? Closed minus 5 to closed 3. So you write here, closed minus 5 to closed. For these values of x, minimum is 5. Sometimes they will ask, mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 equal to 3. No solution. 3 means no solution. Equal to 12, have a solution. 12, somewhere here 12. There at 12 you need to draw a line parallel to x-axis. That line intersect the graph somewhere at this point, at this point. Is what the meaning? This is the required x value. Another required x value. Previously observed that this is minus 7, this is equal to 5. X equal to minus 7 will satisfy, x equal to 5 also satisfy, means mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 equal to 12 means we can say that x equal to minus 7 and 5. But what this problem is saying that the values 12 or less than 12, 12 or less than 12, 12 or less than 12 means these values, 12 or less than 12, here to here, here to here, these are x values. So your output values means what, Nana? Minus 7 to 5, minus 7 to 5. That's what is the solution of this problem. X belongs to closed minus 7 to closed 5. Students, listen. Now I am going to explain very important method. Mod of same x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 equal to k. Find the minimum value of k, 8. What values of x? Minus 5 to 3. If x is equal to 12, what are the x values? You can find. K lesser than or equal to 7, you can find. K greater than or equal to 9, you can find. Okay. My intention is how to find the minimum value of k by using another method, important method, easiest method. Observe all of you. I want to find minimum value of k. Excuse me. Modulus of x minus 3 equal to 4. Graphical meaning. We want to find a real number x on the number line so that the distance from x to 3 should be 4. Graphical meaning important. We want to find a real number x on the number line so that the distance from 3 to that real number plus the distance from 5 to that real number should be equal to 4. Here also, mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 equal to k. We want to find the value of x on the number line so that the distance from 3 to x, 3 to that real number plus summation, the distance from 5 to that real number, the summation, the addition, the distance should be equal to k. Interesting method. Draw number line. Identify their zeros. Yeah, now I want to start my method. Let us assume that there are two persons. One person is at minus 5. Another person is at 3 on the number line. They want meet each other so that the distance traveled by them should be minimum. Such a way that they want to meet. We want to find what is the minimum distance they should travel so that the sum of the distance traveled by them should be minimum. Both are give same meaning. What is the geometrical meaning, graphical meaning of this? The sum of the distances from 3 to minus 5 should be minimum. Means one person is at minus 5, another person is at 3. They want meet each other so that the sum of the distance should be minimum, such a way that they should meet. Interesting. For example, they want somewhere 0 somewhere here, leave it. Assume that they want meet at A home. Okay, B and A want meet at A home. So A will be here only, B will start, B should travel 3 units plus this 5 units, totally 3 plus 5, 8 units. Understood or not? This should travel 3 units, 0 to 3 units, 0 to minus 5, 5 units. Totally, B should travel 8 units to meet A at A home. One thing. Or A want meet at B home. B here only. A should travel this 5 units plus 3 units, 8 units. Important. A want meet at B home or B want meet A home, they should travel 8 units. Same distance. Or they want meet at this point, for example, at origin point they want meet. B should travel these 3 units. A should travel the 5 units, totally 8 units. Whoa. At 0 they want meet, they should travel 8 units. At B home they want meet, they should travel 8 units. At A home they meet, again they want to travel 8 units. For example, they want to meet at this point between A house and B house, somewhere. So let this distance is x. This distance is y. Distance should traveled by A should be x units. Distance traveled by B should be y units. X plus y, again 8 only. Interesting thing is, they want meet, the minimum distance should be 8. What values of x? Means they meet at this point or at this point or at this point or at this point or any point between minus 5 to 3. Minimum value of mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 is 8 only. What values of x? Minus 5 to 3. The minimum distance should traveled by both should be 8. Okay. So what values of x means I can say that any value of x either minus 5 or 3 or between minus 5 to 3. Without doing anything I got the answer. Understood? Important. For example, instead of interesting. Instead of k 9 is given. Mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 equal 9. Such x value and find. Okay. Same situation. A is at minus 5. B is at 3. But they want meet each other. So that the sum of the distance traveled with them should be 9. They meet each other. So that the sum of the distance traveled with them should be 9. Means they want meet at A, the distance becomes 8, but you want 9. That is not correct answer. They want meet at B, they want meet any point between minus 5 to 3, won't get 9. Interesting step. They should meet here. For example, after B, up to B here only, A should travel distance. The together distance is now 8. One more unit they should travel. One more unit they should travel. Together should travel. This distance should travel. Okay. So total 1 by 2 means what happened now? 0.5. 3 plus 0.5. 3.5 is the one of the solution of the problem. So 1 by 2. 3.5. Interesting one. Once again listen. They want meet at a point so that sum of the distance traveled with them should be 9. They want meet at this point, sum of the distance is 8. At this point, 8. Any point between minus 3 to 8, 8 only. But you want 9. Means somewhere they want meet here. Somewhere they want meet here. Okay, they want meet at this point. So first of all, A travelled and came to B home. Distance travelled by A is 8 units. B here only. 9 you want. More 1 unit. Together should travel. Together should travel. 1 unit. Together. 1 plus 1 together means 1 by 2. B should travel 1 by 2 units. A should travel 1 by 2 units. 1 by 2. This distance is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. So this point is on the number line x equal to 3 by 2. At 3 by 2 they should meet. So that the distance is 9 units. 3 by 2. See one answer 3 by 2. They can meet here also. They can meet here also. So A is here only. B came. He travelled 8 units. Now they want meet at this point. This unit, the distance should be, they should travel together 1 unit. So half plus half, then only total gives 1. So minus 5 half. Half means minus, no? Minus. Left side of the origin only. Minus. What happened? Minus 5.5. This is minus 5.5. This point is minus 5.5 comma 0. Means I can say x is equal to minus 5.5. See, x equal to minus 5.5. Without doing anything, I solve the problem. Understood? So, for example, instead of 8, 12 is taken. 12. Okay, students, interesting concept. Listen with care. So, 12. Sum of the distance travelled with them should be 12. Okay. Again, B here only. A came to B home. He travelled 8. 12 minus 8, 4. Now they want to move 4 units. Together should move 4 units. Together means B should travel 2 units. A should have 2 units. 2 units. 3 to 2. 2 units. 3 plus 2, 5. They meet at x equal to 5. Hey. 5. Or they can meet here. So A here only. B came. He travelled 8 units. 8 completed. You want 12. 12 minus 8. They should travel more 4 units. But together, no? Each should travel 2. 2, 2. So minus 5. And the number line, no? Negative side of the left hand side of the y-axis. That's why this becomes minus 2. Minus 5, minus 2. Minus 7. They meet at minus 7. See minus 7. So lesser than or equal to, you want lesser than or equal to 12, lesser than or equal to 12. I can say directly say answer is minus 7 to 5. X belongs to minus 7 to 5 is the solution of the problem. Mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x plus 5 lesser than or equal to 5. Easiest method. Search in any website or any book. I think you won't get this type of method. Okay, students. Next problem I want to solve. Say I'm already completed, but I want to solve by using this method. Mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x plus 1 equal to some k. I want to find minimum value of this expression. Or k equal to 10, what is the solution? K equal to 11, what is the solution? K lesser than 12, what is the solution? Okay. First one, draw number line. Identify zeros. Minus 1, 2, 3. Now there are 3 persons. One is at minus 1, one is at 2, another is at 3. Now they want to meet each other so that the sum of the distance travelled with them should be minimum. Minimum value of k means that k is taken as 10. You can say that the sum of the distance travelled with them should be 10. Interesting. For example, they want meet at A home. A here only. B should travel middle somewhere 0, no? 2 units, 1 unit, 3 units. B should travel 3 units. C, 3 units plus 1. C should travel 4 units. 3 plus 4, 7 units. I will write in bracket 7. They want meet at A. They should travel. All the 3 should travel 7 units. Okay. Yeah, they want meet at C, for example. C here only. First of all, B should come. Here 2 units, here 1 unit. B should travel 1 unit. A should travel this 3 units plus 1, 4 units, 5 units. Among 7, 5 is minimum, no? The distance, sum of the distance traveled with them should be minimum. Than meeting at A home is better than they meet at C. Okay, understood? Interesting. They want meet at B, for example. 1 unit, 2 unit. A should travel 2 units. Sorry, 3 units. A should travel 3 units. 1 unit, 2 units. So the C should travel 1 unit. 3 plus 1, 4. This is minimum than 5. This value is smaller than 5. What is the meaning of this? Oh, they should meet at B. They should meet at B. For example, they want to meet at this point, somewhere in between these two, somewhere. Observe. So this is say X, this is say Y. What distance A should travel? 1 unit, 3 units plus X, 3 plus X. B, X. C, Y. But what is X plus Y, Nana, here? X plus 1 only, no? X plus Y 1 only here. X plus Y 1. X plus Y 1 means what is the distance? 3 plus X plus Y plus 1. X plus 1, 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus X. 4 plus X, more than 4. More than 4. Means they want meet at this point, the distance should be more than 4. Minimum you want, that is 4 only. What values of X? 2. At X equal to 2, this expression will get minimum value, that is 4. They want met at this point, the value should be greater than 4 only. You can observe. They want meet at this point, for example. Okay, see. So this is X, this is Y. A should travel X. B should travel Y. C should travel 1 unit plus Y, 1 plus Y. Oh, already X plus Y, what here? X plus Y. X plus Y. 1 unit, 3. X plus Y, 3. This 3 plus 1, 4 plus Y. 4 plus Y. More than 4 only. So, the minimum distance they should travel so that they meet each other means they should meet at B home only. Or, according to this problem, I can say that if X equal to 2, we get minimum value of this expression. The minimum value is equal to 4. Okay, students, understood? Once again, listen here. Draw number line. -1, 2, 3. Here A, here B, here C. They want meet at A. How much they should travel? How much distance together they should travel? Means just put X equal to -1 in this expression. Actually, I explained, no? Here A, B should travel 3 units, C should travel 3 plus 1, 4 units, totally 7. No? So, directly you can find this value of 7, just substitute -1 in this expression. -1, -3, -4, mod of -4, 4 only. So, -1, -2, -3, mod of 3 only. -0, 7, directly you will get 7. They want meet at B. How much distance traveled by the all? Just put X equal to 2 here. 2 minus 1, 1. 0. 3. 3 plus 1, 4. They want meet at C home. We need to find how much, what is the sum of the distance traveled by them. General method I explained here. They want meet at C. At C. C here only. A should travel here 3 units plus 1, 4 units. B should travel 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Directly substitute this 3 in the given expression. LHS of this expression 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4. 5. Okay, students. Easy. Minimum distance 4. What values of X? 2. The minimum of this expression is 4 when X equal to 2. Now the problem is 10, K equal to 10. K equal to 10. Sum of the distance traveled by 3 persons should be 10. Okay. If they meet at A, already they traveled 7 units. 10 you want. 10 you want. More 3 units you want. More 3 units. 3 persons. 3 by 3. 1. 1 unit should travel. 1 unit. Minus 7. This is minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. One of the solution of the problem. Observe here. X equal to minus 2. Interesting. Okay. This side also they will meet. They traveled 5 units. But you want 10. More 5 units you want. More 5 units. But the distance should travel to 3 persons. 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means what? 3 plus 5 by 3. 3 plus 5 by 3. 3 plus 5 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5. 14 by 3. See, 14 by 3. So here 14 by 3 x equal 14 by 3. So if the mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 10, what values of x means I can say x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 14 by 3. See how easily you can compute these type of problems.